my name is Nick and I work as a product portfolio manager for Klober in the UK, and we have a new product which we'd very much like to introduce to you. So this is the new Klober 6-metre dry ridge system, designed to sit alongside the existing roll fixed dry ridge family of products that you probably know us for. Just look at the packaging, hopefully you agree, we think it looks really, really good, so we're keen to get it out there and keen to talk to you about that. But enough of what's on the outside of the box, we better tell you what's inside the box. So the first thing I want to mention is that we do put installation guides inside each and every one of our kits that get out there. But what else is in there? So the ridge batten straps, these are in place to hold the ridge batten down along the length of the ridge, which becomes an integral fixing part for the whole of the system. The ridge tiles themselves are fixed down by these 4-inch or 100mm stainless steel screws with neoprene washers via a clamping plate to give it bite on the top of the ridge tile to hold it into place. The seals or the unions are universal, so they'll work with a clay or a concrete ridge, down the ridge or down the hip as well if you so wish. One of the main differences between the original roll fixed range and the new dry ridge system is the roll itself. The approach to ventilation, so this one has perforations through the main body of it, so that means we can make confident claim to BS5250, for example. Klober validate and test their products massively, and we're quite proud that we do that. So BS5250 for ventilation, 8612 for performance, and also BS5534 for general site practice we can all claim reference to. So hopefully this new product's of interest to you. We hope it will be. If there's any other information you require, please have a look on our website at klober.co.uk or contact your local area manager for more details. But for now, thank you very much.